What is up, guys? Welcome to my channel. I'm Alex, and today I'm going to be doing some thoughts or sharing some thoughts in a review-like video about my Abarth 595 Pista that I've owned for over a year and a half now. I think I had this car for long enough to share some thoughts, and yeah, I think it's going to be an interesting video. I'm also going to be driving it for a while. So yeah, let's start the video. So first of all, I would like to just share with you guys the lovely rumble this car makes. As you can see, these are a modified pipe exhaust, but it's just the tips. So the sound, it is from the Record Monza, which is the exhaust this car came with by default. I also done some minor mods, like installing the AVAC Pro kit to lower a bit the car. As you can see, it sits a bit lower than a normal Abarth. I also have the Pilot Sport 5 Michelins that are lovely. They are way better than the Pirelli P0 Nero. I think that's how it's called. That came from stock, right? And well, these are the Formula wheels. I had that little vinyl installed there. I think it looks cool, but that's pretty much it. I haven't done really any more mods. I want to keep the car fairly stock. Well, I've done a little mod that I can show you. It is related with this blow-off valve. This is the V engine compartment. It is a bit dirty. I want to clean it soon. And as you can see, well, this is the mod I was talking about. This is not recirculating the air. And maybe I can show you how it sounds. I don't know if it will be easy to tell in the video, but whenever we hit the or press the gas pedal, that sound it makes, I think it's cool. And that's it. So apart from that, I haven't done any modifications. It is not stage 1 or modified electronically. It is just the stock engine. And I think this car doesn't really need that much mods, because I've known some people that have heavily modified the car, and well, it might be fun, but I don't want to be modifying this car that much, because I would like to be getting other cars in the future, like the BMW I've talked about in the channel a few times. So from my point of view, this is quite the experience I was looking for when I got this car. So yeah, why don't we hop in and start driving it a bit while I talk to you about some points and, well, some things I have to say about the car. The car is warm already, so that's perfect. Let's put this thing on. Alright, and we can go. So it is a manual. There's also an automatic robotized gearbox, but I think it's quite crappy. So I really enjoy driving manuals, so that's why I got this gearbox. The space here is fine. It is obviously not really big, but for what the car is, and it is a Fiat 500 after all, so sitting here in the front is fine. I just drive this car by myself or with my girlfriend, like you've seen in the channel, and it works flawlessly for me. Also, you get the cheap plastics. Why don't we start moving? I can speak about this while driving. So you get these cheap plastics, this Fiat looking plastic all over this place, but you don't really get this car for the materials or the fills inside. Although I have put this carbon fiber here that I think it looks great. Also these in the gear knob, but yeah, the fill inside is not that bad though. I think it is decent for what you pay. I'm going to roll up the window a bit so you can hear me better. What else I can tell about this car? well, you got the infotainment system, which has Apple CarPlay. I use it quite a lot, actually. It is really, really great. Well, I had the manual climate control, which works fairly good. It is obviously not really comfortable to be setting everything manually, but when you want it to be cold, it just works. So I guess that's all you want from this. You also have the sport button that will makes the car feel and respond faster, as you can see. And also the steering wheel gets a little bit more well, harder, and it transmits more, which is great when you want to be driving faster on corners and so yeah. When it comes to mileage, well, I'm in Spain, so I'm going to give these numbers in liters. But I'm getting, I'll be honest, I drive this car quite not fast, but yeah, I push the pedal maybe too much. I'm getting here 9 liters per 100 kilometers, as you can see. So it is quite a high consumption for an engine like this, which is quite small, right? But my experience with it, as I'm saying, it's I drive the car in an enthusiastic way, so I think it is expected to be quite high, although it's not like 20 liters with that you get with some big engines. So it is manageable, definitely. Let's push the car here, but not above the speed limit. We want to be under the speed limit, guys. What else I can say? Well, as you can see, I feel like for what you pay, this is really good. It is a fun car, and to get this kind of fun with another car, I think you have to spend quite a bit of money. While with this, it is quite cheap, although you can go for an older BMW or cars like these, which may not be that reliable. And I know some of you guys will love this because this is a Fiat, but this engine, it is quite reliable. You can check that online. It really doesn't have that much problems, if it does have any, because to be honest, I can't point a specific problem that has happened to me with this car over this year and a half that I've owned it. The sound also from the inside is lovely. You also get some pops sometimes, but it's not like it's constantly doing the pops. You can do that with a remap of the engine, EGU, right? But this is just stock, like I've said. I haven't done any modifications regarding that. So yeah, see, the car really responds when you want to, and I think that's just what I want in a car like this, really. I've been in plenty of cars, I think, and well, you get like the acceleration from some X-Drive BMWs that are just fast. They're really fast, and this car is front-wheel drive, so you get the, I will say, downsides of it, of a front wheel drive car. But to be honest, and from my experience, I'm not a pro. I just enjoy cars and love driving them. This is enough for me right now. So we are going back to the hometown. We can then drive there a bit. Just really enjoy what this car feels. Here you can see we're pushing it a bit. But we don't want to exceed the limit, which is 70 kilometers per hour in this road specifically. If you're looking for a car that transmits, and you look how this car looks, because I'll be honest, there's some people that don't like it. But me personally, ever since I've seen one, I love it. It is quite little. How do we say this in Spain? It's like a bullet, as a little bullet, which is really fun to drive. Okay, let's go around this roundabout here in Spain. All right, they go that way. Perfect. And we go inside here. So 40 is the limit now, guys. I'm going to turn off the sport mode. I want to drive it, relax it now. As you can see, you can daily this car, and that's exactly what I do. I daily this car. I go with this car to work, to the gym, to basically every place, and it works flawlessly as a daily car while having fun. And if you want to push this car on tracks or in a fun mountain road, you can do that. It will work. Look, we lowered a bit the consumption. I'm definitely driving chill now. Let's be careful with this bike. Hopefully he goes to the right. Okay, let's be patient here, guys. All right. She just opened the door without looking, I think. Okay, here we are now in Albacete. This woman looks like he wants to cross. All right. I also own an old Toyota that I also daily use. It is reliable, works every time. I'm not saying this does not, because to be honest, it has worked flawlessly for me. But we all know that Toyotas, especially old ones, are really reliable. So I have no complaints for that car. I may even upload some videos driving it in a chill way. Just driving the car, not talking that much. I hope you guys like this format of just straight video, no cuts. It might get a bit boring sometimes. I hope not, but well, I'm just driving the car and enjoying the views. We are in this little residential area here in Albacete. I want to also talk about future cars I would like to own. And well, I'll be honest, I like BMWs. I have some friends with really cool BMWs like Enthusiast, Supras. I mean, it is a Toyota, but we all know it is a C4 car. Sorry, C4 BMW. Okay. And I love the sound of that engines. I love how the car feels, and I will really like to own a BMW. I will probably not sell this car though, because I feel like what you can get with this, it is quite the fun experience a little Italian car like this gives. But let's be honest, a BMW is a really fast car, and we all love fast cars. This part of the road is a bit tricky because I don't think we can fit two cars here going to opposite directions. Well, probably yes here. I'm going to stop there so we can talk a bit more about the video. So yeah, I'm looking to upload some videos driving this car in well, in some roads we have here in Spain, near Albacete, that are quite lovely. You get the mountain views. It is all surrounded by nature. Well, it is quite the experience. Let's go this way. And I think I'm going to So anyways, guys, feel free to ask me questions. I want this channel to be well, some sort of memory of myself driving my cars, but also if you guys have questions, I love to share these videos. It is a really fun experience, to be honest, to edit everything, to drive cars, and to share my passion with you guys. Let's yield this bus here, and I think we can stop here if we have space, which I think we do. Perfect. All right. So this is it for the video. I'm going to do a quick spin around, but I hope you guys liked the video. And if you did, please subscribe, because my channel is now quite small. I would love to know if you guys are enjoying the videos, because I will keep uploading them.